Hit it. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Hello, everyone. All praises go to the Most High Yah for allowing us to see another day. In Yahweh's name I pray, amen. Okay, y'all, we must be thankful and grateful for every day that the Most High gives us to see, okay? No matter what's going on in your life, all right? So for those of you who don't know me, my name is Joyce McTeer, and I am the owner and operator of LaJoy Your Creation Designs. I'm coming to you all today to show you how to use this tube confetti. I bought this a long time ago, y'all, from the Dollar Tree. I don't even, like a long time ago. Now, I have seen the Dollar Tree get this back in. They get it in far and few in between, okay? And I was supposed to do a DIY on this a long time ago, but I get really busy when it comes to my DIY projects and anything else, okay? I'm extremely busy. I'm doing YouTube. I'm running my business. I'm all over the place, okay? So what I want to do is show y'all how to make some post earrings using this confetti tube, okay? Now, basically, what I'm going to do is you get 3 packs here. And I'm going to open up each pack. Stuck together. Try not to tear the bag. Okay. I'm going to open up each pack. I have a bowl right here. And I'm going to take and just put an amount in the bowl. And I'm going to mix these all together. I'm going to mix them all together. So this is the first one. It's really pretty and shiny. And then I'm going to do this one. And this, be prepared for this stuff to get all over the place because it is quite messy, y'all. It is going to get all over the place, okay? That's the second one. And then I got this gold right here. I'm going to open this up. Put that in. And basically, I want to mix this up just like this. See that? Now, what I did was I took my wood pieces and I painted it black. My reason for that is because I don't want the color that well, it's not a color, but okay, the wood pieces come like this. So I know somebody's going to ask me, well, why did you paint them? I painted them because when you go put this on here to glue it on, if you don't have enough, this is going to show, and I don't want that. So I painted it black, and what I'm going to do now is I have my Aleene's tacky glue, okay, and I'm going to take a generous amount and just spread it. That might be a little too much, but I'm gonna spread it on my entire piece, just like this. Make sure you get the whole entire piece, whatever pieces you decide to use. If you don't have these wooden pieces, you can use anything. Anything you have, you can use, okay? It doesn't necessarily have to be round wooden shapes. If you have square, if you have rectangle, triangle, whatever you have, all right? That's the first one. The one thing that I do love about this Aleene's Tacky Glue, y'all, is that when it dries clear, okay? Please make sure y'all thumbs up the video. Okay, y'all, so I'm getting ready to make a mess. This is getting ready to be everywhere. So basically, all I'm gonna do, once I got all my stuff in my bowl, right, and I'm shaking it, I'm just gonna take it and do just with it. Just like that. Now, like I said, once this dry, it is going to dry clear. And you can take your hand or something that you have and just smash it down in there. Just like this. Use as much as you need. What you're trying to do is just, you're trying to make sure that that is completely covered. The whole piece is completely covered. Don't panic if it doesn't. If you see some of that black come through, that's a good thing. Okay, if the black, once these dry and the black still decides to come through, that's a good thing. Okay, you're gonna have some that will come off. Okay. All right, just make sure that and you know, once it really dries, you can go around and clean it off if you feel like you need to. Okay, now I do have some other areas that is not full. Like I said, just smash it down on there. Just like this. And you're gonna have to really, this is gonna have to dry. Like you're gonna have to let it dry for some time, okay? You're gonna have to let it completely dry. And I don't have a whole lot on here. I don't have a whole lot, so we'll have to see, but I wanna get some of those corners, like right in here, if at all possible. Just try to get some of those corners. That's why I said this is going to make a mess, but it's a good mess. And it's not, at least I'm not working with anything that's sticky. Because when stuff is sticky, that's when it becomes uncomfortable. Even though I use my fingers to put the glue on, still. Okay. So basically, what I am going to do is I'm going to let these set, and then I'll come back and show you all the end results, and we'll put the post on. But this is what we have so far, and I think these are cute. So I'll be back once they dry, okay? I'm thinking about doing something else to them, but we'll have to see. So thank y'all so much. Okay, y'all, so once you get everything on, right, then the next thing you're going to do is add some Mod Podge. Okay, now I have put Mod Podge on one of these pieces. You probably won't even be able to tell which piece I put the Mod Podge on. This one right here. This has the Mod Podge. Now what you have to do with this is that you have to let this dry completely, okay? You only need one coat. Make sure that when you put it on that you go all the way around. So basically what you do is you add your Mod Podge on like this, okay? And what the Mod Podge is going to do, it's going to make it stiff. It's going to, like, at first I was a little afraid to put the Mod Podge on, only because sometimes with some things when you use it on not the norm, okay, you don't know how it's going to turn out. So I went on, I took a chance, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and put this on this just to see, and I did it, and look how it came out. Perfect. It's nice, it's stiff, okay? It's perfect, y'all. Now you do have to let this dry. You will need some time. It will need some time to dry. I'm gonna put it like that. Basically, what I did, since it's summertime, normally anytime when you do stuff like this, if you put it in the heat, it'll dry way faster. It took it a little longer only because I was doing it, my air was on, and things take a little longer when it's cold air than when it's hot air. So yeah, and that's all you do, and you just make sure you go all the way around and just dab it just like this to put it on, okay? So the last thing we're going to do is we're going to take and put on our posts. Now you don't necessarily have to put a design on the back of these if you don't want, only because these are post earrings and nobody is going to see this part of the earring, okay? So you don't necessarily have to put a design back here if you don't want to, okay? Okay, y'all, so the very last thing that we are going to do is we're just going to glue this post back here, and it doesn't really matter where you put it, okay? You can put it anywhere you want. I'm just gonna take and put a little bit of glue right here. That's my grandson. I'm gonna put a little bit of glue. Now, if you decide that you want to sell these, if you're making these for yourself, it doesn't matter. You can do this. You can use the glue gun. But if you're making these to sell, you might want to use something that's going to hold it in place permanently. And this should be good. Even when you use the glue gun on stuff like this. But you see this? This is not coming off, and that's because of the Mod Podge that I put on there, okay? So with that being said, I'm gonna take this time to say thank y'all so very much for joining me. Y'all go, now I don't know if they still sell this stuff at the Dollar Tree, I'm not even sure. But please make sure you thumbs up this video, you like and you share. And until my next upload, peace and blessings.